page 95, and learning how to convert between the number of moles of a substance and the volume occupied. So 1 mole specifically equates to a molar volume value of 22.4 liters. However, this relationship is limited to substances that are in the gas phase, and that gaseous material needs to be held at STP, so a very specific temperature and pressure values. So let's take a look at the I do. Determine the volume occupied by 2.55 moles of O2 gas at STP. So number 1, I see that my material is in the gas phase and it is being held at STP. So this problem, it meets the conditions. So that means I can use the mole to volume relationship here. So setting this up, I have 2.55 moles of O2, and I want to convert those moles of this gas to liters and be able to cross off the moles. 1 mole of any gas being held at STP, it will occupy 22.4 liters. Once when I put this in the calculator, 2.55 times 22.4 divided by 1, my calculated answer will be 57.1. I have to do the same math with the units, mole times liter divided by moles. So I have a mole in the numerator, a mole in the denominator. They reduce to 1, so now I am left with the only unit of liters. And I have to identify this 57.1 liters, what does it belong to? So I do the same type of math. I have O2, no substance, no substance. So this is the only substance it belongs to, is that O2 gas. So I have my value, I have my unit, and I have my identity of what that value belongs to. Let's take a look at the we do. So here we go. With this we do, it says determine the number of moles of helium gas needed to fill a 4.0 liter balloon at STP. So this question wants us to start in liters and go to moles. Take a look. Are we allowed to use that molar relationship? We have a gas and it's at STP. So this problem also, it meets the minimum conditions, right? We have a gas and it's at STP. So the math is pretty straightforward. So we have 4.0 liters of helium. And this time we're starting off in liters. We want to go to moles. We want to be able to cross off the liters. This is the molar volume relationship. 1 mole of any gas at STP, it occupies 22.4 liters. So this time in the calculator, it's 4.0 times 1, the product divided by 22.4. So we have a smaller number being divided by a larger number, so our answer is going to be small. So our calculated answer is 0.18. Now we need a unit and an identity to go along with it. So we have liter times mole divided by liter. Since there's a liter upstairs in the numerator and a liter downstairs in the denominator, reduces to 1, and we are left with a unit of mole. Well, it's moles of what? What is the identity? And so when we look at the problem, the only identity we have here is He, helium. So it's 0.18 moles of helium. Value, unit, identity makes a complete answer. You try the you-dos at the bottom of this page. Check your answers with the teacher.